Hey, what's up guys, and it's time to do speed test between the Xiaomi Poco X3 and the Vivo V19. Behind this speed test there are several reasons. The first one is the Vivo V19 is much expensive, also it have got higher RAM, but the most interesting thing is the Poco X3 have got updated chipset than the Vivo V19. So in this video we are gonna find out which is faster and which one you should buy especially for gaming between the Poco X3 and the Vivo V19 in 2020. So without any further ado, let's get into it. As always, kicking things off with a Bootup Test, and here we go. Now let's see who is going to be the winner of this race. As I told you, the Poco X3 have got updated chipset and it have got lower RAM than the Vivo V19, which is 6 gigs of RAM. So let's see. You can see logos are moving around and both are taking some time. Well, as you guys saw here, the first boot up test won by the Poco X3, while the Vivo V19 is still taking some time, and I think it's going to be a huge difference. Well, the Vivo V19 has started up, and I think it was around 3 to 4 second difference between both of them, which is a huge difference, and it's quite disappointing from the Vivo V19 because it is much cheaper, but still the Poco X3 has won the first boot up test. Now I have nearly installed the same applications and I am going to test it on both of them to see the gaming performance of the Vivo V19 against the Poco X3. Before starting the speed test, it should be clear that everything is completely turned off and both of them have got the same Wi-Fi connection as you guys can see here. So starting from some light applications, and here we go. Well, you can see the animations was slightly quicker on the Poco X3 messages, and it felt a bit faster on the Vivo V19 camera. Well, again a bit faster there on the Vivo V19. Now coming to the third-party applications to see how the Vivo V19 is gonna perform against the Poco X3 in this application. Welcome back guys. So it was a speed test between the Poco X3 and the Vivo V19. Now as always, the last one is going to be RAM management between both of them, which is also very important. So let's check it out. And after this we will talk about which is best between the Poco X3 and the Vivo V19, especially for gaming. So stay tuned. So guys, it was a speed test, internet test and RAM management test between the Poco X3 and the Vivo V19, and as you guys saw here, the gaming performance, the Poco X3 was performing very well against the Vivo V19, though the Vivo V19 is much expensive and also it have got higher RAM, but the Poco X3 should be your phone between these two smartphones because it is much cheaper and also it have got 120Hz refresh rate, also it have got updated chipset. So if you guys are thinking to buy any of them specially for gaming, I will definitely recommend the Xiaomi Poco X3 NFC model, because I am just impressed by the performance of this device as compared to other mid-range smartphone. But also you guys are the one to judge, so I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section about both of them. Before leaving this video, make sure to subscribe our channel for daily tech videos. Thanks for watching us and we'll